Hello guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we'll try to learn about the SS modifier protected. Okay, so I have a class called employee, and in this employee class I have two variables. One is ID and another is name. And ID I have declared as public and name is declared as protected. Okay, and ID is initialized to 90 and I have given name as Peter. Okay, since ID is a public, it can be accessed inside this package, inside this class, and inside other packages also. But since name is protected, it can be accessed only inside this package or inside the subclass of employee. So first we will see when this variable name is accessed only inside this package com. Okay, so also we can access this name inside this class, which is always true for any member variables, whatever the SS specifier may be. So let's show this public void sample. Let it be the sample sys out this dot name. It doesn't matter because any variable is always visible to its own class. It's true. Okay, so name is visible. We can use name inside the same class. And another thing, inside the same package. So inside this package com, I have created a class test2. So let's see the test2. Here it is test2. And now what we'll do is we will create an object of employee class. So let's do it. Employee equals to new employee. Okay, and we will have access to this names. See, name equals to maybe whatever you want, pop, and now let's print out e dot name. So it's fine, and let's run it. So here we are getting as pop. Since this pop has overridden this Peter, it doesn't matter here. Okay, so this is done. Means inside accessing the protected declared variable inside a SAM package, it is done. Okay, and now we'll see the accessing of a protected variable inside its subclass. So let's create a class called permanent, which is extending the class employee. Okay, and in this employee class I have given a variable as permanent ID. Let's make it as public. It doesn't matter, but let's do it. And let's create a method public void display. Okay, and inside this method we will try to print the values like see, it has only its values as permanent ID, but since it is extending employee, it will have access to this ID and this name. Okay, since it is extending the employee, it will have access to this name and ID. But one thing to notice here is that if since this permanent is in the same package com as the employee, okay, but if the permanent class was in some another package like wallet, then still it will be able to stay, means it will be able to access this name, because permanent is a child class of employee. Okay, so system.out.println like this dot name, it will be fine. Okay, and let's print out it is the system this dot what is happening inside permanent class. Okay, let's save it. And now what we'll do is we'll create an object of permanent class in this test2. See, let's create an object permanent p equals to new permanent, and what we'll do is p dot, we will call this method display. Okay, p dot display, and let's save it and let's comment it out for a moment. Source and block comment, see, and now let's run it. So it is printing this inside permanent class, and it is getting this name which is assigned here, that is Peter. Okay, so this is about a protected member variable. Means it is accessible inside the same class, and it is accessible inside a class which is its child class. Here permanent is a child class of employee, so it is able to access this name variable. Okay, and we can also means give it some like p dot name equals to permanent child. Okay, it can initialize its value in here too. Let's run it. Okay, so the name is giving us permanent child. Okay, so this is all about permanent, not permanent, so this is all about protected member variables. Okay, so this is it, and thank you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and enjoy. Bye.